Hello world, welcome back to another Boilers CTF 2022 write-up video. In this video, we'll be walking through the Rev Challenge Extreme 64. Let's get into it. So all they give you is a connection command here. So we'll type that in, and it wants us to enter a level password. Okay, so it looks like they're just asking us to write out assembly essentially. So the first one's pretty easy. Set RDI to OX1337 using only one instruction. So that's can be done simply with the move instruction. So we'll just do move RDI, and the first parameter will be the destination, and the second parameter will be the value that you're moving into that destination. So you just press enter a couple times, and there you go. And they even give you a level password in case it times out, which it does if you take too long to solve the challenge or that particular level, or you get it wrong. Add RDI to RSI and store the result in RAX using 2 or less instructions. Okay, so similar thing here. We'll use the add instruction, and we'll do add RDI. Oh, we're adding RDI to RSI, so we want to say RSI first and then RDI. And oops, didn't mean to do that. Well, good thing we can go back in and use the code berry underscore 137. All right, so what I meant to do was add RSI to RDI, and then they want you to separate each command with a semicolon, or each instruction with a semicolon. So then we need to do the result inside RAX. So we just need to do move RAX RSI, and that should work. Yep. Okay, so now we're on the next level, and it's just an if condition this time. So we can do CMP RAX with OX1000 as our first instruction. And then we want to basically jump if they're not equal. It's going to be the opposite, because after this, we want to say RSI equals, or move OX10 into RSI. So we'll say jump if not equal to, we'll say false, right? Because it'll be false if it's not true. And then we'll do our move RSI OX10. And then finally, we'll just have our false section, and that should work. Yep. Okay, so this one's a little bit more tricky, but same concept. We'll do CMP RAX OX1000. Then we'll do a jump if not equal to false 1. Yeah, let's do that. And then we'll set RSI, move RSI to OX10 if it is true. Now here's false 1. And then we'll say CMP again, RAX OX3000 this time. And then jump if not equal to false 2. And then once more, we'll do move. And let me go ahead and expand this. Move RSI OX20 this time. And then we'll call false 2. And I think that worked. Yeah. This is the final one. It's a while loop. So first we want to start off with a jump to whatever we're going to be looping. And we'll say jump false, since we've been using false this whole time. And then we'll say, and you'll see why here in a second. Then we'll say it's RSI plus equal RAX. So add RSI RAX, and then sub RAX 1. Okay, and then we'll have our false condition. Oh, actually, I forgot to add something in. We need an actual true here. We need another section here to jump back to for our loop. Now we'll retype everything else out that we just had. All right, RSI RAX sub RAX 1, and then we'll have our false here, and then we'll CMP RAX to 0, and then jump if greater than to true. And that should be it. And there's our flag. CTF, Certified ASM Programmer. Okay, if you enjoyed the video, drop a like and subscribe to the channel to show your support. Turn on post notifications to get regular injections of cyber content directly into your feed. Check out our Patreon, join our Discord, and follow us on Twitter. Links in the description box down below. And leave any feedback or questions in the comments section down below. This is Almond Milk. Thanks for watching. Goodbye, world.